Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's making waves across industries. How generative AI, or GenAI, is disrupting the job market and reshaping the future of work. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how AI is changing the world around us, this one's for you. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the rise of GenAI in the workplace. These powerful AI tools are no longer just the stuff of science fiction, they're here, and they're transforming industries at lightning speed. From generating realistic images and videos to writing blog posts and even drafting legal documents, GenAI can handle tasks that were once exclusively in the human domain. For instance, platforms like ChatGPT can whip up articles, craft marketing copy, or even assist in customer support. Meanwhile, tools like GitHub Copilot are revolutionizing software development by helping coders write and debug code faster than ever before. The result? Companies can boost productivity, cut costs, and streamline operations. But as amazing as this technology is, it comes with a set of challenges that we're about to explore. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How is GenAI impacting traditional jobs? On one hand, these technologies are making certain roles more efficient. Take the legal industry, for example. AI is now capable of sifting through vast amounts of legal documents, case files, and contracts in just a fraction of the time it would take a human attorney. This means lawyers can focus more on strategy and less on paperwork. Sounds like a win-win, right? But here's the flip side. Automation is also leading to job displacement. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, like data entry, telemarketing, and even some aspects of graphic design, are at risk of becoming obsolete. According to a recent study, up to 30% of jobs could be automated by 2030. That's huge. The job market is shifting, and it's happening faster than we ever anticipated. So, what's next for the future of work? One thing's for sure, GenAI is here to stay. But rather than viewing it as a threat, we should see it as an opportunity. The jobs of tomorrow will require a blend of human creativity and AI efficiency. We'll need to upskill, learn new technologies, and adapt to a more fluid workforce. Skills like emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity, things AI can't easily replicate, will become more valuable than ever. And let's not forget the rise of entirely new job roles. We're talking about AI trainers, prompt engineers, and AI ethics consultants, careers that didn't even exist a few years ago. The future of work is not just about competing with AI but collaborating with it to unlock new possibilities. And that's a wrap on our discussion about how GenAI is disrupting the job market. It's a fascinating yet complex journey we're all on together. But what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of GenAI, or are you concerned about its impact on your job? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video insightful. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. And hey, if you want more behind-the-scenes content, follow us on our social media handles linked below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Keep grinding, keep rising.